Hello everyone. So today's topic is how to create new project in SolidWorks schematic and how to change background color. Okay. So here go for electrical project tab and go for new. So here one of the pop up. So you just click on OK and then write a title name like session 1. Okay, and regarding this information like general contact number, customer name, for example, customer name is ABC. Okay, address like Florida. Okay, then design office wherever USA something. Okay, creator, this information automatically by using your system fetch, and then version. After that, here is some description information. Okay, then okay. So here you got session 1 and number 1. Okay, so here go for new, for example, cover page. So by default, sometimes here gray color directly show. I previously changed it so that by default directly black color. So how to change this background color? Firstly, go for tools, then interface configuration, and here your by default color is suppose gray. Hit there and apply OK. Okay, but this color not visible, so I prefer black color. Go for interface configuration. After that, colors, drawing background color. Here click and choose your black color. Okay, then you got directly black color background interface, and black color is very easy to visible and for work is easily work interface. Okay, okay, uh, we will uh, we will check template and regarding title block in next lecture. Thank you.